Nutritious vegan tofu scramble breakfast recipe. If you're looking for a healthy breakfast that is both quick and satisfying, this vegan tofu scramble is a winner. Packed with protein and bursting with flavor, it's one of those breakfast recipes that will kickstart your day in the best way possible. It's one of the ideal options for those seeking easy breakfast recipes that are also nutritious. Imagine a colorful mix of sautéed vegetables and crumbled tofu seasoned to perfection. This instant breakfast recipe is perfect for those busy mornings when you need something delicious and healthy. Whether you're an experienced cook or a beginner, this easy breakfast recipe can be whipped up in no time, making it one of the best breakfast ideas for everyone. The allure of vegan breakfast. Vegan tofu scramble stands out among breakfast recipes for its vibrant colors and nutritious content. This dish combines crumbled golden tofu with sautéed vegetables, making it an appealing choice for anyone seeking healthy breakfast recipes. Quick breakfast recipes, such as this one, fit perfectly into a busy lifestyle while ensuring a satisfying meal. The blend of flavors from bell peppers, onions, and spinach creates a mouthwatering experience, making it an ideal morning start for everyone. Ingredients for a healthy morning. The key ingredients in this vegan breakfast recipe include firm tofu, fresh vegetables, and delightful seasonings. It's a high-protein breakfast that is not only filling but also incredibly nutritious. Using fresh spinach adds a touch of vibrancy, while the turmeric powder gives the scramble a beautiful golden hue. These elements combined reflect a health-conscious approach to breakfast, aligning perfectly with healthy breakfast ideas. Cooking to perfection. Preparing this dish is straightforward, making it one of the best instant breakfast recipes. Start by sautéing the bell peppers and onions in olive oil, allowing their natural flavors to emerge. This step is simple yet essential in building the dish's base flavor. Next, incorporate crumbled tofu and seasonings to create a rich and satisfying blend. The process only takes about 15 minutes, making it an easy breakfast recipe that can easily be adapted for any morning. A versatile meal option. This tofu scramble isn't just for breakfast, it's a versatile meal that can be enjoyed throughout the day. Serve it on whole grain toast for a delightful brunch or wrap it in a tortilla for a portable lunch option. Its adaptability makes it a great choice for those exploring vegan recipes, particularly for individuals looking for quick breakfast recipes vegetarian in nature. The dish also provides a healthy alternative to traditional scrambled eggs. Serving suggestions. Presenting your tofu scramble can enhance the breakfast experience. Serve it in a vibrant bowl with a garnish of fresh herbs for an appealing visual. Pairing it with slices of whole grain toast not only adds texture but also complements the meal's nutritional profile. Creating a warm and inviting breakfast scene on a rustic wooden table can turn a simple meal into something special. This presentation invites everyone to savor the flavors and appreciate the effort put into crafting this delicious vegan breakfast. Final thoughts on vegan tofu scramble. Incorporating a vegan tofu scramble into your morning routine can be a game changer for those exploring healthy breakfast recipes. It offers a quick breakfast that is both nourishing and delicious, making it a perfect fit for busy lifestyles. With its colorful ingredients, rich flavors, and high protein content, this scramble is sure to become a staple in many households. Whether as an instant breakfast recipe or a leisurely brunch option, it captures the essence of a healthy breakfast while satisfying diverse palates. This tofu scramble is a tasty and healthy breakfast that features scrambled tofu with veggies like spinach, bell peppers, and onions. It's a filling, high-protein breakfast that can be served on toast or in a wrap, making it versatile for any meal. Ingredients: 1 block firm tofu, drained and crumbled. 2. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 3. 1/2 cup bell pepper, diced. 4. 1/2 cup onion, diced. 5. 2 cups fresh spinach, chopped. 6. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 7. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 8. Salt and pepper to taste. 9. Fresh herbs for garnish, optional. Instructions: 1. Sauté vegetables. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. 1. Add the diced bell pepper and onion, stirring until they become soft, about 3–5 minutes. 2. Add tofu and seasoning. Stir in the crumbled tofu, turmeric, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. 2. Cook for another 5–7 minutes, mixing occasionally until the tofu is heated through and slightly golden. 3. Add spinach. Finally, add the chopped spinach and cook until wilted, about 2 minutes. 3. Adjust seasoning if needed. 4. Serve. Garnish with fresh herbs if desired and serve the tofu scramble warm, either on toast or in a wrap. Cook and prep times. 1. Prep time, 5 minutes. 2. Cook time, 15 minutes. 3. Total time, 20 minutes.